Hey, how's it going? Unboxing break here for another video, and today we'll be unboxing the XMG Fusion 15. So if you already watched Dave Tooley video about the impossible gaming laptop for the Mac 15, well, this is the European version. So right now we're gonna start the unboxing process of this machine. In the package, there is a black and green mousepad with the logo XMG on it. Let's get rid of everything and see what's inside the box, shall we? Before we get into, let's see the specs of this notebook. This unit is the Intel Core i7-9750H with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Max-Q with 32 gigs of RAM DDR4 and 1TB M2 NVMe SSD drive. So, let's see what's inside. We are gonna leave the notebook for a while and explore what else we have inside the package. A warranty card. They give you also a dongle, USB-C to DisplayPort female. Also included 2 premium quality pens, XMG stickers, a 16 gigs USB stick, and 1-year internet security bolt card. And the quick start guide in different languages. So that's inside the first part. Now second part. In the left side we have the power cable, European type. In the right side we have the 230 watt power supply with a weight of 830 grams, which is a little bit heavy. Now for the notebook, with a weight of 1.89 kilograms that support a 39 watt battery. With both weight, the notebook and the power supply of 2 kilos and 72 grams. The typing experience in this notebook is amazing. It's a mechanical keyboard with RGB per key lights. The screen doesn't have too much flex. And the trackpad, made of glass, very accurate with Windows precision. So let's check the I/O of this unit. In the right side, we have 2-port USB 3.1, a full-size SD card reader, in the left side, a keys interlock, another USB 3.1, a microphone jack, and a headphone jack. In the back side, a Thunderbolt port within you can connect an external GPU, an HDMI, an Ethernet port, and a power supply. After installing all the drivers, it's time to turn on this bad boy and see how much time it takes to load. The panel has a native resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, 20% sRGB, 50% Adobe RGB. The 144Hz panel has a measured response time of 8 to 9 milliseconds. this part, I'm gonna be using only Cinebench here. We will see the score using a single core and multiple cores. For the first render, I'm gonna run it with a single core. As you can see, the CPU speed go up to 4 GHz and get locked on 4.36, even though it's mentioned it will reach 4.5, but never happened. So the average speed of the CPU here it's 4.28. So this is the XMG Control Center, and it comes with 3 system power mode: Enthusiast for heavy CPU GPU tasks such as rendering and gaming, Balanced, and Quiet. The Fan mode is automatically changed to Performance when you switch to Enthusiast mode, and the reason for that to deliver better cooling. The notebook is per key lighting. It comes with different effects, breathing, wave, gaming mode, etc. There you can tweak the effect speed and the direction, or you can make your own by switching to the user mode. All changes are saved automatically into the current profile.
To defend the gods' wills.
The gaming experience in this unit is very amazing. Tested with 3 games so far, it runs very smooth in 1080p, and I didn't notice any lag in using max settings, even playing for hours. It's recommended to put headphones while gaming since the fan noise is very loud in this machine. Speaking about gaming, don't forget to subscribe to my gaming channel. The link will be in the description. Thank you.
Let them go.
What?
You're no god.
You'll die for this!
And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more unboxing videos. If you have any question, please leave a comment. I really appreciate your comments. So see you in the next one. Peace out.